Hey, hello to my aspiring entrepreneurs. Hey, I'm glad you're here. I wanted to share this book I wrote for you. It took me about a year to write this book. 25 home businesses dummies can start. Ebook, easy to start ventures to earn cash from your own home. So I also wanted to share with you right now, we've got a big sale going on. Enjoy 70% off site-wide until August 9th. Take advantage of this discount today. Also, add my store to your home screen for quick and easy access. Before I get into it and show you a sample of this book, I always want to let you know, hey, once in a while you might hear my wife or the TV or my chihuahuas. I'd like to keep it easy, simple, and hey, I'm human, but I want to get into this book for you here on my website. So right now this book is $3.90 with your discount. It's a heck of a buy. It's a big book, but let's get into the sample. Let's read you the table of contents. Dedication, introduction, business idea, articles that you can start from home. What I like about this is, if you want to start a business at home, I am all for it. I am all for it. And what I did while I was researching and writing this book over almost a year, I tried to research what's happening now and what people would be interested in for starting a business from home. So number one is how to start a social media management business. 2, become an alteration specialist. 3, the rise of the beauty entrepreneur. 4, how to start a financial planning business. 5, start a business as an app developer. 6, how to start an online business. Number 7, how you can start up a profitable consulting business. Number 8, how to start an online course creation business. I really like that one for you teachers, how to start an online course creation business. Number 9, how to start a digital art creation business. 10, how to start a technical writing business. 11, how to start a niche blogging business. Number 12, how to start a transcription service. 13, how to start a tutoring business. 14, how can I start my own Airbnb business? And we all know Airbnbs are huge. If you own property, you're really going to enjoy that article within the book. Very detailed articles on each of these categories. Number 15, how to start a coding business from home. 16, make money with Shopify. 17, how to make money on OnlyFans. 18, how to start a drop shipping business. 19, best way to start a translator business. Number 20, how to start a graphic design business. Number 21, how to start a content creation business. Number 22 in the book, how to start your own podcast. Number 23, how to start an online bookkeeping business. And number 24, 6 tips for starting a home-based food business. I love that one because my wife and I were involved with that at one time, making cookies. Number 25, how to start an online teaching business. So we'll get into it a little bit here. The book was written by myself, James P. Clark. Your time and money are important. Is spending the next 4 years of your life in college not for you? Which for some people it's just not. It's, you don't want to spend 4 years in college. You don't want to go to trade school, but you have a passion to start your own business. Do you have a passion, determination, and a strong desire to work for yourself? I have provided many business ideas you can start from home. I wish you much success in your journey. I hope this comprehensive and informative step-by-step video guide is meeting your expectations. And if you're ready to create your legacy, click buy now to download and begin. That's all you have to do to get the whole book. It's 254 pages, so I put a lot of time and effort into this. All the categories I've I've listed to you, go into great detail on each business. So it's a very, very good book, and I'm very proud of it. After you read the book, you of course can write a review, and then it goes into on my website when you're here. Other books you might like, how to start your own podcast. We talked about that. So I've combined a lot of books that I have written into this one book, 25 Home Businesses Dummies Can Start. I also hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share me for somebody that might need my help and enjoy my ebooks. And the great thing about it is you can download these books in the privacy of your own space, enjoy them. They come right to you as soon as you pay and check out. You get the books instantly. Browse my website though to see all my books. You can contact me. I have blog posts. I also have a section about myself, so enjoy that. Thanks again for stopping by, watching the video. I appreciate it very much. And enjoy this sale. It ends in 10 days. Take advantage of it. $3.90. It's usually $12.99. And you can just go here, buy now, add it to cart. You can add it to cart and add more books if you like. Thank you so much, and I wish you much success.